Hello, good night. My name is Daniel Alvarez.
What is your years old?
16 years old.
What are your activities in your daily life?
I wake up at 6 o'clock. I take a shower. I go to school at 7:50. I eat lunch at noon. I study English in the afternoon.
What part of Mexico are you from?
I am from Tlanala Pailado.
What do you like to the most?
Boxing, reading, and reading.
Do you walk to school?
No, I don't.
Do you read at night?
Yes, I do. What is your name?
Hello, my name is Eric Sebastián Pérez Vadilla.
How old are you?
I am 18 years old.
What are your activities in your daily life?
I wake up at 7 o'clock every day. I take a shower and get ready for school. I eat breakfast before I leave home. I go to school with my friends. I study and do my homework in the afternoon.
What part of Mexico are you from?
I am from Sagon City, Hidalgo.
Do you listen to music every day? Tus preguntas simples.
Yes, I do.
Do you watch TV before bed?
No, I don't.
Thank you.